In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank. We'll use the Binance mobile app and the P2P trading feature to convert your USDT into cash that lands in your bank account. To keep things smooth, make sure your app is up to date, your internet connection is stable, and your account verification is completed. It also helps to have your preferred bank transfer details ready in the P2P payment settings so everything matches when you sell. Start by opening the Binance app on your phone. On the bottom right of the screen, tap Assets. This shows your wallet overview and balances. From here, go into the funding wallet. The funding wallet is what P2P trading uses, so it's the right place to initiate a cash out. Once you're in funding, tap Send. This opens options related to moving or selling your crypto. Next, choose P2P trading. P2P, or peer-to-peer, connects you with verified buyers who purchase your USDT and pay you directly via bank transfer. Inside P2P trading, set the coin to USDT so you're selling the correct asset. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can type an exact number or use your available balance as a reference. Keep an eye on the typical minimum and maximum amounts listed by buyers so your amount fits within those limits. Now select the payment method as bank transfer. This filters the marketplace to show only buyers who can pay to your bank. Take a moment to review each offer's price, the buyer's order limits, and their completion rate or reliability score. A competitive price and a solid completion history usually make for a smoother experience. When the details look right, tap Confirm. Finally, select an offer and tap Sell. This creates your order with the buyer you chose. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts in Binance. The platform uses escrow to hold your USDT during the trade, which adds a layer of protection while the buyer sends the bank transfer. Keep notifications on so you don't miss updates, and communicate only through the in-app chat if needed. Processing times can vary based on your bank and local banking hours, so be patient while the transaction completes according to Binance's flow. That's it. Open Binance, go to Assets, enter Funding, and tap Send. Choose P2P Trading, pick USDT, enter your amount, select Bank Transfer, confirm, then choose an offer and sell. Review the details before you proceed, stay within trusted offers, and you'll be able to withdraw USDT to your bank with confidence.